Just because you having a bad hair day, don't take it out on everybody else.
What do you think he is? Bon Jovi? Cook this nigga right here on the line. This nigga right here. Bon Jovi.
This guy, same guy, 5 in the morning.
Who this nigga look like? Y'all cook this nigga in the chat, please. Who he look like?
I think the good fella shirt is getting to his head.
What's wrong with him?
See, I told him he needs a brush. Look, he's gonna flick his hair again. Look, look, can't help himself. Bro, you just need a brush. You'll be much happier. See, it's getting all in your way. That's why you're so frustrated today. Nice. It's very professional.